Hello, and welcome to our channel, where we bring you the best ways to achieve abundance in life. Today, we are going to talk about how you can manifest wealth with citrine, a powerful crystal that can help you attract prosperity and abundance into your life. Citrine is a crystal that is commonly known as the stone of abundance. It is believed to have powerful energy that can help you manifest wealth, success, and prosperity in all aspects of your life. Here are some ways that you can use citrine to manifest wealth. The first step to manifesting wealth with citrine is to set your intention. Visualize yourself being wealthy and abundant, and then hold your citrine in your hand while doing so. You can use citrine in your daily life by carrying it in your pocket or purse, wearing citrine jewelry, or placing citrine on your desk at work. This will help you stay focused on your intention and attract abundance into your life. Another way to use citrine to manifest wealth is to meditate with it. Find a quiet place, hold your citrine in your hand, and focus on your intention. Allow the energy of the citrine to fill you with positive energy and abundance. You can also create a citrine grid to manifest wealth. Place citrine crystals in a pattern on a piece of paper or cloth, and then place it in a prominent place in your home. This will help you attract abundance and prosperity into your life. In conclusion, citrine is a powerful crystal that can help you manifest wealth and abundance in your life. By setting your intention, using citrine in your daily life, meditating with citrine, and creating a citrine grid, you can harness the power of this crystal to attract prosperity and abundance. We hope that this video has been helpful to you, and we encourage you to try these techniques for yourself. Thank you for watching, and please like and subscribe to our channel for more videos on manifestation. For more information on manifesting with citrine crystals, click the link in the description or in the comment below.